Whenever you try to delete the white background from an image, you select the image using the quick selection tool, make a rough selection around the character, and you invert the selection to delete the background. Just to find that it leaves ugly fringes around the edges of the image. So in this video, we will see how to fix this issue and what's the best way to select your characters from an image when it contains a white background. The first thing we're going to do is click on the logged icon next to the image so that it is converted into a layer. Once it's a layer, we can add multiple layers on top and below for our editing purpose. Once that is out of the way, we can select this icon at the bottom and choose solid color. We'll be choosing black as our background color and we'll click on OK. So what this allows is to keep a good contrast, and now we'll move this layer below our actual image. The next thing that you see is on the left and which is called the quick selection tool. You right click on it and you get to choose the magic wand tool. At the top you can set the tolerance. We'll set it to 10 for now, and you can select the contiguous option. Once both are selected, make sure the image you are working on is currently selected, and now you can click on the white background to make a selection around the character. Once the selection is made, you click on the image and hold on the Alt button on your keyboard and click on the mask icon here. It will create an inverted mask for your character, but you will see the fringes are still present. Let's move on how to fix it. You make sure that the inverted mask is selected here. You go to filter, other, and minimum. Here you slowly increase the setting one by one to see the white fringes slowly fading away. Once it is completely gone, you stop there and press on OK. And if I even delete the background, you can still see the image of the character is still intact without any white fringes. Hope you all learned something useful today. Drop a comment down below on your ideas for the next video. Thank you all for watching.